G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. If it's your first time here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you get updated every week when we release these videos. So we are leading into Christmas and we are focusing a lot on our Christmas cocktails, which you'll find in our 12 cocktail ebook, which you can find online. But this is cocktail number 3 and we've got one more to go. So we are making the Home for the Holidays cocktail today, which is a gin-based cocktail and is absolutely delicious. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing you do is grab your jigger. We're going to pour 60 mils of your favorite gin directly into the glass. Say we're using the Khaki Moon gin. Such a delicious gin. Give it a crack. Next thing you do, grab some cranberry juice. We're going to pour in about 20 mils directly into your glass. Next step, grab your jigger. You're going to need about 15 to 20 mils of fresh lemon juice. I always try to strain it into a jigger, that way you know you're getting the right amount. And then again, directly into your glass. Next step, some bitters, about 4 dashes. And the good stuff, the aqua-faba or egg white, whatever you prefer. 15 mils directly into your glass. Load up with some ice and then give it a good shake. Okay, put your Hawthorn strainer on and strain directly into your coupe glass. Just like that. And to garnish, it is a fresh clove, which we'll just pop right on the top. We're just using our new garnish tweezers, which they're bloody awesome. And there you go. You have Home for the Holidays. Enjoy.
I've been waiting for so long for you.